The Laura Louie Hope Foundation, a Canadian not-for-profit organization, has been created to provide medical and educational programs to improve the quality of life of impoverished adults and children in developing countries. Our programs concentrate on community grassroots projects and are focused on people living with and affected by HIV and AIDS. We build sustainable community projects. That means that rather than carrying people up a hill, we empower them to climb that hill themselves, and to keep on doing so. The Mayon Project was created to help ease the suffering of HIV and AIDS patients in a rural community in northern Thailand. It is a pilot project using acupuncture for symptom relief and improved quality of life for some of the world's most vulnerable citizens. The Mayon Project was officially launched in April 2004 with 3 main objectives. Number 1. To develop a pilot program to train medical staff in acupuncture as adjunctive treatment for HIV and AIDS patients at Mayon Hospital in northern Thailand. Number 2. To create a free clinic at Mayon Hospital to provide acupuncture for people living with HIV and AIDS. And number 3. To undertake an evaluative pilot study using quantitative and qualitative data to assess the efficacy of acupuncture on quality of life, the symptoms of chronic HIV infection, and the side effects of antiretroviral therapies. หนักที่สุดประมาณสัก8 กิโล
8 กิโลนะอ๋อ
ความหนักของเปลือกข้างในนะคะกระสอบนึง
So when she came here, her main concern was the numbness and the aches and pains, and that has gone completely. There's not even the slightest pain. She doesn't experience even the slightest pain anymore. It's gone completely, and she can lift and carry the heaviest bags of corn and corn husks, which is another one of her jobs. ไม่เจ็บเหนื่อยมันดีไหมดีเขาเป็นผู้คุมอย่างสูงไม่รู้ว่าจะเอาที่ไหนสมมติว่าอย่างคนธรรมดาอย่างคุณหมอไม่มาทำในจุดนี้เราก็ไม่มีโอกาสได้ทำนะคะคนติดเชื้อยังผู้หมูนะคะค่ะนะ She feels it's very good that the treatment is being provided for free because having experienced the benefits of acupuncture and knowing that she is just a poor person, if it were not provided for free, they would not have had an opportunity to receive this treatment and enjoy the benefits. ความสุขค่ะมีความสุขค่ะมันไม่ปวดตรงไหนมันสบายใจค่ะมันก็หายหมดแล้วค่ะเนี่ยมันมีความสมหวังนะคะดีมากนะมีกำลังใจขึ้นไปอีกเยอะดีนะ So after 3 months of acupuncture, she's feeling very, very happy. She doesn't have to endure these pains anymore. She doesn't have any problems with her ears, and her spirits are soaring, she said. อยากให้คุณหมอกลับมาทำอีกครั้งให้กับเพื่อนๆที่เขาไม่ได้ทำนะคะ Oh, okay. She'd like Dr. Laura to come back and set up another program for all her friends who weren't able to participate in this program. In summary, she's very satisfied. She's 100% satisfied with the outcome of her treatment. ยิ้มตลอดนะ Okay, ชอบนะ She likes it, she's proud, she's happy, she's really impressed with everything that's happened in the last 3 months. Okay, I just asked her whether she thought having acupuncture or being able to socialize with her friends at the clinic, which was more beneficial. And she felt that the acupuncture was more beneficial, but having the opportunity to meet her friends here and socialize with them gave them an opportunity to sit and talk and discuss their problems and let out, get rid of any stress they had. And most of them are having they were sort of stressed out about their children, their families,
And just being able to meet each other here and talk about this gave them an opportunity to sort of let go of those problems. But she feels that the acupuncture was more beneficial, but socialising and having this opportunity to get rid of these problems, talk about the problems, also supported the acupuncture. Yongyai is not taking antiretrovirals, so she feels that the improvements in her condition and the disappearance of her symptoms is a result of acupuncture because she's not taking antiretrovirals.
ยาต้านแล้วก็กินมาตั้ง3 ปีกว่าการวางแผนมันก็ให้ว่าเราคิดว่าเราสบายใจจะมีกำลังมากขึ้น
She feels that the improvements in her life are a result of both the antiretrovirals and the acupuncture. But the antiretrovirals just work on her immune system and repress the spread of the virus. But she's been taking the antiretrovirals for about 3 years now, but still had these symptoms, whereas she's had acupuncture for only 3 months and all these symptoms have disappeared. And with the strengthened immune system and the disappearance of the symptoms, her spirit is much better, she feels much happier, and her life in general is better.
เรากินยาไปก่อนเนาะแล้วก็มาฝังเข็มเองก็ยิ่งดีขึ้นไป
รายการตัวอย่างเพื่อจดสบายนะ So Pensy feels that she was taking antiretrovirals prior to receiving acupuncture and her condition had improved, but with the help of acupuncture and also the socializing and meeting friends, it helped her condition improve even more.
ก็เหมือนเรามีแรงขึ้นเยอะแล้วก็ไม่ปวดเลยเนี่ยทำงานได้สบายก็มีกำลังใจขึ้น
Okay, she feels that acupuncture has helped her because it's boosted her energy. Not only has it boosted her energy, it's also helped her symptom. And with the increased energy, she's able to work more. And because she's working more, she feels in better spirits because of this.
เราทำงานได้ก็เหมือนว่าเราลืมว่าเราไม่ใช่ผู้ติดเชื้อเนี่ย
Okay. And when she's working, she said she feels that she's just an ordinary person. She forgets that she's HIV positive, and she feels just like anybody else when she's working in her daily life. มีแรงเยอะก็ทำงานได้แล้วก็รายได้เพิ่มขึ้นหรือเปล่ารายได้เพิ่มขึ้นถ้ามันมีงานครับและถ้ามีงานก็รับงานและทำงานได้นะ As far as work is concerned, Pensy feels that it has affected her working life because she's able to work better without any problems, and she's able to accept work when it's offered to her without worrying about the work being affected by the condition, and also because she's able to accept more work when it's offered, it will also help her financial situation.
มานี่ก็ดีใจขึ้นกำลังใจขึ้นเพราะว่ามาเจอคุณหมอใจดีเนี่ย
She said coming here, she said she feels stronger, her spirits are better, she's happier, also because she's met a good doctor.
The nurses who trained in acupuncture also had strongly positive comments about the Mayon project. Thai nurse Anjali Pultajok was instrumental in both starting and sustaining the Mayon acupuncture clinic. Here's what she had to say.
I feel honored to have been able to participate in the acupuncture program. It's provided an opportunity for me to help many people. A program like this can't be found anywhere else in Thailand.
While the acupuncture greatly improves overall physical health, there is also an equally important quality of life benefit for patients and their families.
We intentionally set up the clinic in a way that would create a social hub for patients. Here they can talk freely, express emotions, and know that they won't be judged. This contributes greatly to their healing process.
The Mayon project demonstrates the feasibility of establishing and maintaining a hospital-based acupuncture clinic for people living with HIV and AIDS in rural northern Thailand. The project was operational in less than 12 months and utilized local nursing staff. Acupuncture was not only acceptable to this population, but many participants requested that similar clinics be started in other districts to accommodate those who weren't able to travel to the Mayon Hospital. The acupuncture clinic has run weekly for almost 4 years now, which indicates the longevity and sustainability of this project. How can you help? Our goal is to ensure that every project is sustainable, meaning that we train local staff in all of our programs and basically work our way out of a job. We need your help to continue new healthcare and educational projects, which will help many impoverished adults and children. All our programs are currently staffed by a team of dedicated volunteers. We thank you for your kind support.
Acupuncture increases my hopes and aspirations and gives me encouragement, strengthens me. I have something to lean on. If I don't come here, I feel like I've left something out of my life.
Since acupuncture, I don't think about getting sick anymore because I feel normal. But if I get sick, I feel confident that acupuncture can help.